Spring greetings from Canadian Mennonite University. This weekend, we have 106 grads. That's our largest class ever, and it includes a really fine, significant group of students who are graduating with a Bachelor of Science. Now, what's really unique about science at CMU is that these students can work with a researching scientist in the lab right from their first year. This might mean the biology lab indoors, or that wondrous forest called the Assiniboine Forest right behind the CMU property, or else the math board that we see right here. And then by years 3 and 4, these students are doing major presentations and publishing papers, sometimes together with their profs. And after that, some of them go straight on to government jobs, as one of them is actually starting last week. Others go into Master of Science programs, into med school, and a whole bunch of other really interesting science careers. So we're going to learn a little bit about what they've been doing this year. Last week, they put on a science symposium with different poster presentations. And so we're going to learn a bit here from graduating student Aaron Doerksen and also Dr. Tim Rogalski. And they'll tell us a bit about these projects, sort of what they went about to find out about, what conclusions they found. And Tim will give us just a sense of what he finds really interesting and enlivening about working together with CMU Science students.
Thank you so much, Cheryl. And I'm here now with graduating student Aaron Doerksen. Aaron had the opportunity to be in Churchill in the summer. Tell us a bit about that.
For sure. So it was through a field course at the U of M under Dr. James Roth. And when we were up there, we were looking at different population dynamics for Arctic foxes, and specifically for me, Canadian geese.
And then coming back to CMU, you did the analysis with Dr. Rachel Krause in your independent study. So tell us, this poster is amazing, but tell us why it matters. What matters about this?
For sure. So this shows us how, as temperatures change from global warming, using long-term data collected through this field course, we can see how nesting distribution changes as sea ice melts and predators such as the Arctic fox need more readily available Canadian geese nesting.
So tell us a bit about conservation and why this matters from the perspective of conservation.
For sure. So the Arctic fox is currently an endangered species and very vital to Arctic systems and tundra systems as well. So by understanding what they eat and the health of their populations, we can understand the Arctic foxes and these predators that are currently suffering from global changes in temperature.
Amazing. This is just one of the presentations that happened at a recent academic conference. Thank you so much, Aaron. So the next semester, Aaron and about 14 other students worked with me in a mathematical biology course where I put them into interdisciplinary teams, some biologists, some mathematicians, and we worked on projects such as this one. What are the effects of hunting on conservation of deer and wolves in northern Manitoba? So Aaron, what was it like to work with an interdisciplinary team?
It was very exciting. In conservation, there is so much math behind the scenes and so much modeling that as a biology student myself, it's not necessarily my strong suit. So working in this group of different disciplines, I feel like we got to results that I personally couldn't have. Right. It was very exciting.
Amazing. And the work was incredible, and the students are incredible. One of the many things that I love about our students is the way that they work as a team in community, each of them taking on the aspects of the project that they have distinctive strengths in, and then coming together and building this beautiful project that really came up with some interesting results.
Thanks so much to Aaron, to Tim, and all others who are part of science at CMU, and in fact to all who are part of CMU in any way. Tomorrow evening is Spring at CMU. That kicks off our graduating weekend. We have a concert of CMU singers and chamber choir together with reflections from graduating students. All are welcome, 7 p.m. In the Lowen Athletic Center on campus and also online. And thanks to all for being part of CMU and enabling CMU students to thrive. The peace and joy of God be with you.